So we're exploring above the stream. It's called the Nature Trail. Oh, look at this. Oh, wait a minute. Are we going to go all around? I'm not quite sure because we're exploring. Anyway, come on, kiddos. God, it's slippery. Slowly, flock. This going over the stream. And then... Oh, that's so cute. Well, we're not going to climb on the tree trunk, are we? Nah. Go on, guys. Go. Okay, come on. Scoot. Oh, so picturesque. And it's beautifully quiet as well. Oh, I see. I think it's going to throw us right back. Yeah. All right. So this is an informational nature thing with all the trees. The Racebrook. Yeah, we know it's Racebrook. Oh, very romantic. But we really want to go into the proper woods, right?